it's Jacqueline here. In today's video, I'm bringing you my review, first impressions, swatches on the brand new Jimmy Choo The Seduction Lipstick Collection. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to see more details about these luxurious lipsticks by Jimmy Choo, then just keep on watching. It really seems like the last few days I have been a little bit on a lipstick kick. Starting with House of CHOO, they were so kind to send me their summer cruise lipstick collection, and I did a review. I swatched all the beautiful lipsticks. I mean, it was incredible. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. As well as I uploaded my review on the new Charlotte Tilbury Love Filter lipsticks for the wedding season, and I mean, they are all divine, beautiful and whatnot. But these Jimmy Choo lipsticks, they came out I think about 2 months ago, almost 2 months ago, right? Something like that. And I remember posting on my Instagram, hey everybody, they are available, go ahead, get them. And then for one reason or another, I don't remember, I think I was working and I was not able to, obviously, I mean, I was working, I wasn't able to, jump in to do some shopping, and I waited too long that by that time that I went to check into Harrods website, they were already sold out. So I ended up not picking up any, and I felt so bad about it, and I said, it's okay, it's all good. But they came back in stock, and I said, well, this is the time. So I went ahead and grabbed two of the colors that I was actually eyeing and really wanted to get. One is the 004 Coral Kiss, and the other one is in 008 Tender Pink. So let me show you the packaging. Here it is, the Unicard. Is this beautiful soft blush pinkish color. I mean, if you have been watching my latest videos, but yeah, it seems like the brands, they are just so hooked in this color. Like Gucci is one of them. Then here I have YSL2 is the Laurent. They have this packaging right here. It seems like it's the color that most luxury brands are kind of like grabbing onto, which I like it. I think it's really pretty. Now, these lipsticks are made in Italy. They have a shelf life of 18 months, and the cost of each of them is $52. And like I said, as of right now, you can only find them at Harrods, and I will be leaving the link of the makeup that I'm wearing today as well as these lipsticks on my description box below. Okay, and then as far as ingredients go, it shows right here that it does have a little bit of like castor seed oil, which it should be very nourishing on the lips, and it also has some oils like limonene and citronellule. Just in case if you have a little bit of sensitivity to that, might as well. I just want to let you know about it. But yeah, I'm super excited. And although the packaging seems really large, the product that you get inside is the same exact products that you will get in most lipsticks, which is 3.5 grams or 0.12 ounces. That is the standard with all lipsticks. So I feel like, okay, we are in the same tone. It's just this experience. And this is how it comes in a beautiful faux leather sleeve, and it has right here engraved Jimmy Choo right here in the middle. It has this very heavy bowl right here. This is super heavy. If somebody wants to bother you, you know what to do. Take out your lipstick and use it as a weapon. I'm being serious again. Here is the beautiful lipstick case. I mean, it's just golden. It's super heavy. It says Jimmy Choo up here. I mean, it's lovely. And the design goes with the designer. I mean, when you think about Jimmy Choo, you think on beautiful shoes, don't you? Well, and that's what it is. It's an stiletto, a heel, so it's totally on brand. and super luxurious. Okay, so then when you take it out, as you can tell, the lipstick is not like super big. It's more the packaging than anything else. It's just, you know, for style and whatnot. So aside to the cup, then you get, you know, a regular lipstick base, and then you can twist it. Now I thought you were supposed to twist it from the ball, but it does make sense. You don't want to twist it from the ball, because if you have it, you know, like this, and you can twist it from the ball, you can make a mess out of your lipstick. So you just go ahead and grab it from the base side, and then here you go. This is Tender Pink. And then on the top, it has Jimmy Choo emblem embossed. And then the lipstick is embossed of what it seems like a snake skin. Okay, let's try it. And it has a very subtle fragrance. I mean, it's barely there. It's more like a powdery type of fragrance. Now these lipsticks are in the satin finish, and as you can see, they have a very slight luminosity. It looks very pretty, very delicate. I really love this shade right here. This is kind of like an everyday shade. Really good, really nice. Okay, let me give it a swatch. And since I have you here, and since I just reviewed this lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury, this is in the shade Wedding Bells. Let me just put it up here and show it to you so you can see the difference of the shade. It's a lot more muted. Now this is a matte formula. And you know what? Since I have you here, I'm gonna do also Pillow Talk, since it's a classic one, a lot more muted. And I think that's it, because I was thinking about In Love with Olivia and Dance Floor Princess, but they are a lot lighter. So yeah, I mean, I just wanted to give you a quick comparison right here. And let's remove this lipstick and let's try the Coral Kiss one. So here we go. This is Coral Kiss. Oh my goodness, look at that shade. Now this is definitely a red with an orange base. Very vibrant. I mean, this will look amazing for those who have very deep, rich skin tone, or you have like a really good tan going on. So let's just swatch it here. Wow. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that's a lipstick right there. Okay, so let's give it a try. Wow, this lipstick will call the attention of everybody. I mean, as soon as you walk in, everybody will be like, "Ooh, what are you wearing right there?" So here you go. This is Coral Kiss. Honestly, I don't think I have anything like this lipstick right here. I mean, I have very strong red tones, but something so orangey, no. So strong, no, I don't. I'm like, no. I mean, I was thinking about this Hermes lipstick in Coral Flamingo. Is this shade right here? It's also very vibrant, kind of neon-y color, but I don't think it compares. Yeah, no, it's like way lighter. Look at that. Yeah, it's a huge jump, a big difference. I don't think I have anything like this lipstick, and I actually really vibing into it. I think it's really nice. It's very attractive. I mean, with a black dress or with a really, like I said, with a really nice bronze, I think it will look amazing. Now let's see what I think about this lipstick. I think the formula is very nice. It's thin, it's not heavy, it doesn't emphasize the lines, but because it's so soft and kind of like in the creamy side, I will highly suggest to use a lip liner, mostly using a shade like this because it may, migrate in other areas of your lips, and you don't want that to happen. You will certainly have to reapply it because it's a satin lipstick. I think we all know that this is not, bulletproof, although, like I said before, if somebody, messes out with you, you can really punch an eye with this right here. Nobody will mess around with you. But yeah, I love this shade actually. It's really beautiful, very different for what I have. You can see that orange undertone in there. I like it. I like it very, very much. I'm so happy I added these two lipsticks to my collection, and now I really want to know from you if you have gotten any of the Jimmy Choo lipsticks, if there's one that you have been eyeing and you perhaps will be getting it. Let me know all your thoughts about it. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, go ahead, look under this screen. In red it says subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram because there I keep you posted when something comes back on stock, if something is new and launching, and I give you close-up images of things that I'm reviewing. So many things, and we can grow our family there, here, and just simply stay in communication. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, also share with family and friends, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye!